How to make chocolate ice cream. To make chocolate ice cream, you'll need 200 grams of culinary chocolate, 200 grams of sugar, 2.5 deciliters of cream, 3 tablespoons of water. First, cut the chocolate into pieces and add the water. Step 2, put the chocolate in bain-marie until it melts. Step 3, beat the cold cream with sugar until you get whipped cream. Step 4, mix the melted chocolate with the whipped cream. Step 5, take it to the freezer until the desired consistency is obtained. It's ready. Enjoy your chocolate ice cream. Did you like this video? Subscribe to our channel for more content like this.